What's going on everyone? My name is Dan and I'm the course creator of the Fearless Drone Academy, and today I've got the ultimate drone bundles for Aussies. Now, if you're based in Australia, if you're looking to get a brand new drone, maybe you've never owned one before, or if you're looking to upgrade, I've got you covered. It really doesn't matter if you're looking for a smaller drone like the Mini 3 Pro or the Mini 2 SE, or maybe you want the Air 2S or the Mavic 3 or even the Mavic 3 Pro. I have got you covered with the best drone combos that you can get right now. It's definitely really hard to figure out what drone's right for you. So if you've got any questions, if you're comparing different drones, then danstube.tv is my main channel. That's where I have all my comparisons and my drone reviews. So go over there, check that out. You can also check out the D1 store. They've got the D1 Lounge. They've got a bunch of articles over there if you want to learn a little bit more about the different drones that are available. So I will have a link below to check all of that out. But if you know what you're looking for, then definitely check out these drone bundles. I'm super excited about this because what's happened is the Fearless Drone Academy is now an exclusive offering in these drone bundles. So regardless of what drone bundle you get from the D1 store, it will come with the Fearless Drone Academy drone course. It will also come with a bunch of accessories. So no matter what you get, no matter what drone you get, you're gonna get yourself so many different accessories. So let's say, for example, you're looking to get yourself the more budget-friendly Mini 2 SE, which only just came out. It's a great all-round budget-friendly drone. Comes with 2.7K video options. You get great photo options, really good battery life, and it's just a great starting point for a lot of people. So if you wanna get something like this, it will set you back 865 Australian dollars. So it would be $1,070. You're saving a lot of money there, coming in at $865. This is the exclusive Mini 2 SE subscribers combo. So it comes with the Mini 2 SE Fly More combo, which gets you the 3 batteries and extra accessories. You also get a remote controller monitor hood, so that will make sure that any sunlight is not going to affect what you can see on your screen. You get yourself the Fearless Drone Academy, which, like I said, is the exclusive drone course that I have created. So you get that as well. It's an exclusive inclusion, regardless of what bundle you pick up. You get yourself a lanyard and hook, you get a landing pad as well as a micro SD card. So a perfect starting point, really. Like, it gives you everything you need under 900 Australian dollars, and you're ready to fly with everything you need, including that drone course, which will really help you become a fearless drone pilot. Now, let's say, for example, you want to get something a little bit more expensive like the Air 2S. I also do have a subscribers combo as well. So it will set you back $1,999. It would be $2,502. So you're saving a lot of money with this one. And this will get you the Air 2S Fly More combo. So you get the 3 batteries. You also get the Fearless Drone Academy again, so you can become a fearless drone pilot. And then on top of that, you get the car charger for the Air 2S, you get a remote controller monitor hood, a CPL filter, 128GB SD card, landing pad, landing gear extensions, and RC lanyard and hook. So you get a bunch of different accessories. You get the 3 batteries, you get a really good drone. The Air 2S is still one of my favorite drones. And then you get the drone course as well, the Fearless Drone Academy, just to take your drone experience to the next level. To the next level, not the next level. So great combo. And again, regardless of what you're looking for, you can get yourself an awesome deal. There will be those links below to check out these exclusive combos over on the D1 store's website. And then the standout drone of the last couple of years, which would be the Mini 3 Pro. I absolutely love this drone. It's the drone that I'd recommend to most people, regardless if you're getting into the space or if you want to get yourself a small drone to accompany your larger drone. The Mini 3 Pro gives you everything. It gives you portrait shooting, gives you great battery life. You're getting 47 minutes with the plus batteries. It gives you 4K 60 FPS. It's just a really awesome, well-rounded drone with obstacle avoidance as well. So you've got tracking options, which is rare for the mini drones from DJI. So that's an exclusive offering for the Mini 3 Pro. And if you are looking for a killer subscribers combo, then again, I will have you covered on this one. This is called the Mini 3 Pro subscribers combo with DJI RC. This one will set you back 1,799 Australian dollars. It would be 2,082 Australian dollars, but you're saving because you are a fan of the Fearless Drone Academy. So with this one, you get the Mini 3 Pro with the DJI RC. You get yourself the Fearless Drone Academy again, which is always a great starting point for people. Even if you've been flying for a while, yes, it is a beginner's drone course, but it gives you so many insights and also some resources that you probably don't have available to you. So it's a great purchase or a great additional offering if you are getting yourself a drone. You also get yourself the Fly More kit, which just comes with the 3 standard batteries. If you do want extra flight time, you can purchase yourself the Plus batteries, which will give you 47 minutes of flight time. But the standard batteries are great. They do the job. You still get a bunch of flight time out of them. So you get 3 of those. You get the charging hub, which comes with it. You get the bag and everything else. You also get a landing pad, a CPL filter, 128 gigabyte SD card, as well as a car charger and a really cool carrying case, which even though you're getting the bag with the combo, you're getting yourself a hard carrying case as well. So that's going to protect everything inside. You get the RC screen protector and a bunch of other accessories right now, which you'll see popping up on the screen. But just again, another killer combo with everything you need. So yeah, if you are in the market, regardless of what you're looking for, I've got you covered. Check those links below. Let me know if you've got any questions. And if you do want to get like any other accessory on the website, feel free to use the code DANSTube to see what's available with that code. And also, if you want to reach out to the D1 store directly, just email them, sales@d1store.com.au. Let them know what you're looking for if you've got a few different things in mind, and they can definitely help you out. Just make sure to mention DANSTube to save some money over there. And yeah, I'll talk to you in the next one. Thank you so much for all of your support, and talk to you soon.